3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至到62公里。喺晚上7點，強烈熱帶風暴泰利集結喺香港之東南偏南大約320公里，即係北緯19.5度、東經114.9度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約15公里，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並且逐漸增強。泰利嘅外圍雨帶正為珠江口一帶帶嚟狂風驟雨同埋雷暴，同時本港風力有所增強，多處受強風影響，離岸間中吹強風，3號強風信號會喺今日維持。過去幾個鐘頭，泰利逐漸增強，按照現時預測路徑，泰利會喺聽朝最接近本港，喺香港以南大約300公里內掠過，本地風向會由東至東北風轉為東至東南風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風。本港風勢預計會喺聽朝有所增強，天文台會視乎泰利嘅強度變化及其相關嘅烈風區與珠江口嘅距離，評估係咪需要喺午夜至到聽朝改發8號烈風或暴風信號。受泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮同埋天文大潮嘅共同影響，沿岸低洼地區聽朝可能出現淹浸，市民請盡早完成防風防水浸嘅措施。海有大至非常大浪同埋有湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動，並留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息。喺過去1個鐘頭，大老山、橫瀾島同埋長洲泳灘分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時69、66同埋58公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時87、76同埋81公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 7 p.m., severe tropical storm Talim was estimated to be about 320 km south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.5 degrees north, 114.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 15 km per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula and Hainan Island and intensify gradually. The outer rain bands of Talim are bringing squally showers and thunderstorms to the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Meanwhile, local winds have strengthened. Strong winds are affecting many areas in Hong Kong, with occasional gales offshore. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force today. Talim intensified gradually in the past few hours. According to the present forecast track, Talim will be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning, skirting within about 300 kilometers to the south of Hong Kong. Local winds will change from east to northeasterlies to east to southeasterlies. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Local winds are expected to strengthen tomorrow morning. Depending on the changes in Talim's intensity and the distance between the associated gales and the Pearl River estuary, the observatory will assess the need of issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 midnight to tomorrow morning. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Talim and the spring tide, there may be flooding in coastal low-lying areas tomorrow morning. Members of the public should complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. Seas are rough to very rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports, and the public should pay attention to the latest weather information issued by the observatory. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Tate's Cairn, Weglan Island and Chung Show Beach were 69, 66, and 58 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 87, 76, and 81 km per hour respectively.
3號強風信號現正生效，強烈熱帶風暴泰利已經增強為颱風。喺晚上8點，泰利集結喺香港之東南偏南大約320公里，即係北緯19.5度、東經114.8度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約15公里，大致移向雷州半島至海南島一帶，並繼續增強。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. Severe tropical storm Talim has intensified into a typhoon. At 8 p.m., Talim was estimated to be about 320 kilometers south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.5 degrees north, 114.8 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 15 kilometers per hour in the general direction of Leizhou Peninsula and Hainan Island and continue to intensify.